Python 101 control flow. So what is control flow? Control flow is like the order in which individual instructions, statements, or functions are executed in a program. So it helps you to make a decisions and repeat actions based on certain conditions. Two control flow that we will focus today are the conditional statements and the loops. Conditional statements allow you to execute specific blocks of code based on whether the condition is true or false. So in Python, it has three blocks: if, elif, and else. So the rule is that you need to have one if block. It's necessary to have one if block, and then you can have multiple elif blocks. It can be optional. And then the last one is that you can have else block. It is also optional, but it is executed when none of the conditions above are true. Okay, let's practice on it. Imagine we have a scoring system, a grading system at school. So every score above 90 is A, and then every score below 60 is failure. And in between, you have some range. We define our score variable, and then after that is followed by the if block, and then the multiple elif block based on the requirements that we have defined above. And then in the end, we close it with the else block because anything that is below 60 will be fail. So when we execute this conditional block, then it will print it out. Grade is B because we define our score as 85. I will cover the loops control flow in the next video, in the other time. Okay, I hope it is pretty easy. And if you still have any questions about this if, elif, and else block, please let me know in the comment and ask any question that you can. And if I have any time, then I will answer it for you. Thank you.